So one of the things that I do when I create a software is I always test it in my business first, because if it's not good enough to use in my business, it's certainly not good enough for me to be selling to somebody else. So here I am, I'm logged into my auto affiliate account, and I'm showing you a video that I made for a new system being released called Email Expert by Abhidavidi. Now you can see this is the video that auto affiliate automatically made for me. And if I go ahead and click on additional information, you can see it also made a bonus page for me and a description for the YouTube video. So I took this information, took it over to YouTube, and I posted it to YouTube. So here it is on YouTube. You can see it's got my video, it's got my description, and it's got a link to my bonus page that was automatically created by Audio Affiliate inside of the description. Now you can also see that I posted this video 3 hours ago to YouTube, and it's already gotten 39 views. But what's really cool is if I head over to JVZoo. Inside of JVZoo at my affiliate dashboard, you can see here is Email Expert Pro, and I actually got 2 sales to Email Expert Pro already, and that generated me $38 in commissions. Now, $38, let's be honest, isn't life-changing money. However, it's only been 3 hours, and what's super cool to think of is the fact that Auto Affiliate is sold for $37. So that means if I was a customer that had actually bought Auto Affiliate, I would have made my money back for that investment in just 3 hours. Now that is some pretty awesome results. Okay guys, so I wanted to make another video because I wanted to do a follow-up on my internal auto affiliate test. And again, I'm using auto affiliate, and a video I made with auto affiliate, a bonus page I made with auto affiliate, even the description that I have in YouTube was all automatically made with auto affiliate. I posted it to my YouTube channel. You can see we are now at 6 hours since I posted. I just changed to 7 hours. So we're at 7 hours since I posted it, and I've gotten 102 views and 3 likes to the video. Now that's cool, but let's go over to JVZoo and see what kind of money I made from this so far. Okay, so we're back here on JVZoo. It's been 7 hours, and I've made a total of 6 sales, earning me $93 in commissions. And again, $93 is also not life-changing money, but $100 a day for working a couple of minutes a day, just copying and pasting stuff from auto affiliate to YouTube is a pretty good deal. And again, auto affiliate is being sold for $37, which means that if I was a customer, if I was a person that had actually bought this and not the person that developed it, testing it myself, if I had purchased it, I would have more than doubled my money on this one usage. I'm going to call that a successful test.